Pumpkin seed coffee cake, or also you could use this for pancakes. Carbs are 4 per serving. If you make the cake version, you get 8 slices. If you make the pancakes, you get 4 or 5. I have combined the recipe, and you'll see the instructions when you look at the blog, so you can make it either way. So I would just take my blood sugar first. So before it was 100, the 1 hour spike was 115. Beautiful day outside today, but it's windy and still cold in Wisconsin. Oh, I think I have a bad strip. That's not good. At least these Rely-On strips are not that expensive. I think I paid like $18 for 100. These are from Walmart. Rely-On Prime. Alright, here's the second try. Oh, okay, there's the line. Oh, 94. Okay, where are we? Here it is. Whenever I can get down in the 90s, I'm happy. What I do is, I don't eat anything unless my blood sugar is down to 100. And then the spike shouldn't be over 20 points. So today it was fine. It was lower than 100. At the 2 hour mark, you should be back to where you started from. So let's do the ingredients on this. 1/2 cups sour cream. The Daisy, I like that because it's all natural. It doesn't have artificial ingredients in it. 1 1/3 cup ground pumpkin seeds. Now, I will show you the ones that I used. They have to be shelled, so make sure you take the shells off. Okay. I don't really see a brand. Premium Orchard pumpkin seeds with sea salt. And see, the shells are off. They're like white. I was worried. I thought maybe it would be too salty because it has that salt added, but it wasn't. It was good. So I didn't add any extra salt, but the baking soda kind of makes it salty too. So, okay, where were we? 6 jumbo eggs, 1/2 cup of stevia. Now, I made this, I'll show you the size pan. Originally wanted to make a coffee cake, so this is, I think it's a Pyrex. Yeah, it's a Pyrex pan that's 10 inches by 7 inches glass. So this is quite old, so maybe they don't even make that size anymore. But if you want to make pancakes out of it, go ahead and use a 13 by 9 inch glass pan, because it'll be thinner than more like pancakes, whereas this one is thicker, more like a cake. So I'll show you the finished product. Let me walk over here and get it. What it ended up doing is just using the bottom of a glass to make the slices round. And out of that size pan, you'll probably get 4 round pieces for pancakes. And they're really thick. So I would recommend not eating more than 1 of these at a time. So what you do is you put the syrup on, you put syrup and butter on it, and heat it up in the microwave So here is I use this a lot. I like the different fall flavors they have. This is pumpkin pie, Da Vinci Gourmet sugar-free. It's not really pancake syrup. I think it's coffee syrup, but it tastes really good because it's got that pumpkin flavor in it too. So yeah, just bake it till you stick a toothpick in it and it comes all clean. Oh, if you know what buckwheat pancakes taste like, this is very similar, but it has less carbs. So it's very earthy and nutty tasting. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and you can go to the blog and print out this recipe. It'll tell you exactly how to make it. My camera is doing what it wants this morning. Alright. See my chalk, but it was 94. Here it is. If you have a type 2 or even type 1, this ketogenic or low carb diet will help you get your blood sugar numbers down if you stick to it. Again, here is the Facebook page. We're getting tons of new people, like 25 every day. So I think we're up to like almost 27,000 now. So go ahead and join that, and there's people there that will help you. So thanks for watching. Again, if you have questions, leave comments and let me know if you like this recipe. It's very moist if you use the pancake method. If you use the coffee cake method, I found it to be quite dry. Okay, see you later.